Hello again, this is the Beta Strap Motifs protein folding simulation. And this is a protein folding simulation to better understand Beta Strap Motifs, which basically, the idea behind this is to make synthetic Beta Strap Motifs by predicting the structures of natural ones in order to create, cures to cancer and vaccines to cancer and things of that nature. In any case, I'll let you listen to the music now. See you.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear.